Project One Nigeria, a non-governmental organization, has mobilized no fewer than 100 youths to work for hope, peace and unity in Nigeria. The convener of Project One, during its Walk of Hope for Nigeria in Abuja, clamored for peace and unity in spite of various challenges bedeviling the nation. She also said that the work was to mark the end of its annual week-long I Am a Nigerian conference, which focuses on the efforts of both past and present founding fathers and mothers of the nation.
In the time and days that we are in Nigeria, it is very important for us to send out a message of hope to everybody who might feel discertain, who might feel, okay, what's going on in Nigeria? Are we going to fall apart? Are we going to have Ududua, Biafra? We're saying that we still love this country, and we believe that if we all put our hands together, we can make this nation work.
Ms. Faith Jabai, a member of the group, said that she believed in the work for hope because all Nigerians need at the moment is hope.
Our problems are enormous. So I particularly love that we are working for hope. And for me, this is very crucially important because it is sort of a mental resensitization and refining for me to know that, look, all hope is not lost, regardless of what's happening in our governments, globally, not just Nigeria. It's a global problem. Just like Corona was a global pandemic. I mean, the issues bedeviling this nation, bedevils other countries. So I love the fact that we're working for hope, to let people know that, look, all hope is not lost. Don't give up on this country. Don't give up on this nation. You may not see it, but for us, for me, and as a person, I particularly believe in this country. I believe in our mandates. I believe that we can be better one person at a time. So
Mr. Felix Ofuyeta, an entertainer with Shine Entertainment in Nigeria, said that it was time for the Nigerian youth to get up and clamor for everything that preaches about one Nigeria and togetherness.
I would say to the Nigerian youth, it's time to wake up. It's time to get up and support everything that preaches one Nigeria. So whatever you're doing, whatever you've heard in the past, it's time to re-enlighten yourself and support everything that says one Nigeria. We don't have any other nation. This is all we have. We have to protect it by all means and all costs.
Ms. Diana Moise said that she believed in the Nigerian vision and the group's vision to build nation builders and loyal patriots within the country and outside the shores of Nigeria.
Aside being any other thing, we're first citizens, and it's time for us to clamor for peace, for unity, for togetherness. It's not right. Even if a group of persons are trying to make the country fall apart, it's our duty to uphold our unity and,
Mr. Bright Magada, Program Manager of Project One Nigeria, also said that he believed that Nigeria would be better.
Project One is an outright nation-building organization. And practically, I'm an humble nation builder. I believe so much in Nigeria. I believe that my generation it's responsible to that capacity to make things right and better for Nigeria.